Here is a practice test question on linear relations. I'd like you to answer this question after reading and copying the problem and then look into my suggestion. The question is, height of water level in the bathtub is given in the table below. So here we have time in seconds and height in centimeter. So time 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and the height is going up 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 in centimeters. What is the rate of change? ROC we'll use for rate of change. What does the rate of change signify? And part C is find the equation of the relation. So once you've written down your answer, then you look into my suggestion. Well, my approach will be, from the given table, find first difference. First difference is, now here we have the independent variable time and height is the dependent variable. So we will see by how much it increments every time. So that means we'll do 15 minus 10 is how much? 15 minus 10 is 5. So in 1 unit of time it increases by 5, the water level. And next unit of time, how much does it increase by? 20 minus 15 is also 5. And then again 5. So what we notice here is that in every increment of 1 second, the height increases by 5 centimeter. Therefore, the rate of change is 5 centimeter per second. It's very important to write down the units, correct? So what is the rate of change? Rate of change is 5 centimeters per second. And how do we find it? We find it by doing first difference. This is called first difference. What does the rate of change signify? Now if you read the problem, it says height of water level in the bathtub is given in the table below. So it signifies the rate at which water level is increasing, right? In the bathtub. Find the equation of the relation. So to find the equation, we have the form y equals to mx plus b. Since it is a constant increase, right? So m is the constant slope. Linear equation will represent it. Now what is the initial value? Initial value means at time 0, what was the value? That is b, right? And what is the rate? Rate is 5. So we can write down our equation as y equals to 5x plus 10, right? So that gives you the equation of the relation. So what you can do is, you can also check. Let's plug in 2 here. 5 times 2 is 10 and 10 plus 10 is 20. So you get your 20. Do you get it? So that is how we can write and check our equation. So the variables here are, for us, time is x and height in centimeters is y, right? So that is how we'll write definition of our variables, that x is time in seconds and y is height in centimeters. And then we are going to write this equation and say, well, this equation represents a linear relation, which is y equals to 5x plus 10. Okay, thank you.